Hello and Assalamu alaikum my beautiful viewer. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing the recipe for my shrimp curry, or you can say the prawn curry. बहुत ही delicious. Let's get started. Just to remove the smell, so I'm gonna fry it for 1 minute. Add my chopped onion, which is this. Masalas, which is this is Garam Masala, half teaspoon, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 Haldi, and this one is my Zeera powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and here you go. Everything gonna go inside my pan. Now I'm gonna serve it with the naan, or you can serve it with the boiled rice.